Hey everyone, DT Model Art here again. Welcome back to the channel. And we are moving into part 11 on the 1/20th scale Tamiya SF70H build. And tonight it's all about, well, tonight it is night here where I am at in sunny Florida. But tonight it's all about the front suspension on the car. Now, I've taken the liberty of moving ahead a little bit on things that I've already shown everyone how to do in the other videos pertaining to carbon fiber decal work. And basically, what I have done is I have carbon fibered all of the front suspension pieces and clear coated them with 2-part urethane clear. I noticed in a lot of the reference photos that I have that the suspension on the car was rather glossy. So I went that route with these pieces. So here they are. This is the bottom piece, by the way. That won't be seen, so I took the liberty of taking some shortcuts and just, doing the top part. So I just happened to glue these onto these little boards. By the way, these are just, little flat wood sticks. I don't even know where I got. Oh, they're like coffee stirrers. I think I got them. I pick them up here and there. And what they're for is basically for me to glue parts to and then paint them without having to handle them. They make great handles for that reason. And what I do is I just glue them on with my Bob Smith Industries glue, Instacure here, the purple bottle, and I zap them or hit them with some really fast accelerant that is also by Bob Smith Industries. If any of you out here aren't using this stuff, you're missing out because it works out really well. It bonds right away and glues them on, and all you got to do is just kind of take them like this and just snap them off. They stay on there enough to be painted without falling off. So you pull them right off of there. Got the other parts, the lower control arm pieces right here. Gonna pop them off of there. Like so. These are the little side pods that go right up front here on the chassis, or on the front monocoque. Snap them off. And so basically everything's ready to go. Again, I prime these things with gravity primer right here. I shot them with, believe it or not, I shot them with acryl semi-gloss black through the airbrush as a base. And then I applied carbon fiber. Now the carbon fiber I use is a very small twill weave. It's the Scale Motorsport composite fiber decals. It's the SKU number is 1024, 124 scale. Pewter, black pewter carbon fiber. Real small weave. Great stuff. Goes down really nice with a little coaxing. And to make the templates for those, I even saved them because I'm thinking I might be building this car again for somebody down the road. So I'm saving my templates. But these were basically made by laying these pieces over masking tape, tracing around them, slapping another piece of tape over top, and cutting them out. So that's the templates for the front suspension pieces, and I'm going to keep those in this bag and stash them away in my cabinet over here so I have them for the next build and don't have to worry about having to make templates again. I mean, they're not really that time consuming, but it's nice having them already made. So that's what I'm going to do there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to kick in some music, and I'm going to go ahead. Oh, before we do that, I'm sorry. I wanted to show you also these are the front brake drums. They're not really drum brakes, but they're the canisters that the disc brakes sit inside. And Tamiya has you paint the centers a bronze color, outside edge a titanium silver color. I did those with their enamels. Applied the Brembo decals. And the reason why this is just gloss black right here is because you won't see that once the tire's on. I did carbon fiber with the same carbon fiber twill weave I've used on the rest of the A-arms and such that I just showed you, the ends, so that when the wheel's on you'll see all of this. But I took the liberty of leaving this alone, but I just went ahead and clear coated the whole thing just for aesthetics, basically, to make it look good. So those are also going to be applied in the next segment of the video. So like I said, I'm going to clean these pieces up real quick, the ends, and make sure they all fit in the holes. And then we're going to throw some music on and get this front suspension built. Let's go. Okay, everyone. So take a look at that. Real happy. Check that out. All the carbon weave. Nice gloss. Clean gluing. I mean, this kit just falls together. I mean, the front suspension is pretty much foolproof on this car. It just goes right together with no problems whatsoever. Now, I'm not going to put the tires on yet because they're not due to be put on yet, and that's going to put a lot of weight and stress on the front of the car. So we're going to wait a little bit. But that concludes this video. I hope, again, I hope you guys subscribe, like the videos, hit the bell so you get future notifications. I really appreciate the support. And what's in store next on the car is we're going to do the radio antenna piece here. The induction pod, I guess they call it. Or part of the induction pod. Induction pod's on, but the radio equipment on top, we're going to be doing that next. And then we're going to move on to the rear suspension and do everything very similar to what we've already done here, including this assembly right here. We got to start getting this detailed and get this in place as well. There's some foil that needs to be added to some of these items here, so I'll be doing that as well. And the rear exhaust. We're getting close to the end of the build, everyone. I hope I'm not dragging this out too much. I just want everybody to see exactly what I'm doing and biting it off in chunks based on the instructions for the most part, the order within the instructions. So again, I will talk to you next time. Everyone take care. I hope you're enjoying them. And we'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks.